Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a sheet in Google Sheets. If you want to quickly reset the appearance of your spreadsheet without deleting the actual content. This is a very simple process. Clearing a sheet in this context means removing the formatting, such as text styles, colors, borders, and other visual changes, while keeping the data itself in place. This can be especially useful if a sheet looks cluttered, inconsistent, or if you want to bring everything back to a clean default look before applying a new style. To begin, open your Google Sheet and make sure you are on the correct tab you want to work with. The first thing you need to do is select the entire sheet. The easiest way to do that is by clicking the small square in the top left corner of the sheet, right where the row numbers and column letters meet. Once you click that square, the whole sheet will be highlighted. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also select everything by pressing Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac. In some cases, depending on where your cursor is, you may need to press it more than once to make sure the entire sheet is selected. So just keep an eye on the highlight. After the full sheet is selected, move up to the top toolbar and click Format. This opens the formatting menu where Google Sheets gives you several options for changing how your data looks. Scroll down to the bottom of that menu and click Clear Formatting. As soon as you do that, the formatting across the selected sheet will be removed. T here is also a faster shortcut if you want to skip the menu entirely. After selecting the sheet, press Ctrl and / on Windows, or Command and / on Mac. This does the same thing and can save you a little time, especially if you do this often. One helpful tip is to double-check that you've selected the whole sheet before clearing formatting, because otherwise the action will only apply to the cells you currently have highlighted. Also remember that this process clears formatting, not the actual values in the cells, so your text and numbers should remain intact. That's all there is to it. You now know how to clear a sheet in Google Sheets quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching.